Hello, my dear children. Good morning. Welcome back to online learning. In previous class, we learnt about number puzzle and graphical representation. Today, we are going to see pictograph and tally marks. Okay.
Pictograph information are earlier understand when they represent by pictures. A pictograph is a representation of data using images. Pictograph represent the frequency of data while using symbols or images that are relevant to the data. This is the one of the simplest ways to represent data, and reading a pictograph is made extremely easy as well. Shall we see with the example? Okay. Shall we see with an example? Okay. Look at here. There is a one book. These are the children is reading their story books regularly. So this is the result. They read 3, 2, 1, 5, 2. And who read the most? Amy. Look at that. There is a 5 images. Good children. 5 book images. Who's read the least? Look at that. Which one have least book? A less number. Only one. That is Alex. Very good. Shall we see with another example briefly now? Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Now, example, information collected from 150 students about their favorite subjects are given below. Make a pictograph based on it. Okay. So the question is given and look at that. The tabular column is given Tamil, English, Maths, Science and Social. So these are the children, they said which is their favorite. So number of students in Tamil 25, English 20 and Maths 55 and Science 35, Social Science 15. Now we are going to represent this in a pictograph. Look at here, one smiley represents 5 students. Okay, now 25 students, how can you write? Let's we see. Okay, now children, look at here. What is the first number? 25. Before that, you can draw a tabular column. Subject, number of students. So each a smiley represent 5 students. What is the first Tamil subject? How many of them like Tamil? 25 students. So 25 goes in. Look at here. All the numbers comes in a 5 and 0. Right? Tamil, English, Maths, Science. So that is multiples of 5. So all the number must divided by 5, right? Because they are given each a smiley is represent 5 students. So 25 divided by 5, what you get? Say quickly. Yes, 5. 5 5s are 25. So how many images you are going to draw now? We can't draw 25 images. So we will draw only 5 images. So the 5 represents how many students now? 25, because each students represent 5. 5 5s are 25. Again you will get the same answer. Okay. Now shall we see the next one? What is the next one? 20. Okay. 20 goes in the 5 table. No? How many 5s in 20? When you divided 20 divided by 5, what you will get? Exactly 4. So, how many smileys we are going to draw now? 4. So, each a smiley represents 5 students. 4 5s are 20. Again, what you will get? 20. Right? What is the next one? Yes, 55. The same like You have to divide that by 5, you will get 11. So how many images you have to draw? 11. Good. The next one is 35. 35 divided by 5, what you will get? 7. So how many smiley you are going to draw? 7. Good. What is the next one? 15. 15 divided by 5, what is your answer? 3. Exactly. Great job, children. So how many images you are going to draw now? 3 images, right? Okay. Now we finished pictograph using pictures. This one is called a pictograph. It's easy to collecting the information while we are seeing the pictures. That's why the pictograph is easy method. Okay. Now look at here. Graphical representation or data. Any collection of information in the form of numerical figures giving the required information is called data. So we will collect information is called data. Now we can use tally mark to record data of a variety of things which large number. When we have large number, it's very difficult to count. So that's why we are going to use a tally sticks. What is the tally sticks? Let's we see now, children. Look at here. The one is called the tally mark. It is a different to count if there are more numbers of tally marks. Therefore, to make it easier to count, change it as follows. Okay, look at that. The 1 represent as a 1, 2, number 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. What happened after 4? You have to draw 4 lines and stack it that fifth one. So that shows us a 5. 6, one set of 5 and one more extra 1. 7, look at the 7 how they represent. 8, look at there. 9 and last 10. So it's easy when you see that there is a 5, you can find easily 4 sticks with 1 red, we called as a 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. So we are getting the answer quickly. So whether it is a larger number, we are using a tally sticks, we will get the answer quickly above using this tables. Okay. Okay. Look at this example. Ramanujam team members of 5th standard was collected the information about number of vehicles which were crossed their chute on a particular time as shown below. Okay. Now there is a car, van, lorry, two-wheeler, bus. See that how many times they are seeing. Say they have just put one like that. Okay. Now we are going to arrange this in a tally mark. It's very difficult to count, right? While we are seeing all that one like that, it's easier, tough to count. Yes, you're right. It's very tough. So what we will do? Use tally marks. So how can we do? First look at the car. How many cars are there? 11. So draw 11 tally bars. So the number of vehicles is, okay, we will do later. Van, 7. So you have to draw 7 tally bars. The next one is lorry is 13. Count that. How many lines are there? 13. So draw 13 lines. 5 set and again the another 5. 5 plus 5, 10. The last is 3 ones. So 3 tally bars. So answer is 13. What is the next one? How many two-wheelers are there? 12. So you have to draw 12 tally bars and you have to draw 4 buses. Now you look at here. Number of vehicles 11, van 7, lorry 13, two-wheeler 12 and bus 4. It's very easy to, while we are seeing the tally bus, quickly we can say the numbers how much. Okay, now we are going to see in that using, there is a questions. Answer the following. Which vehicle add across the school maximum in number? Look at that, which is the biggest number. What is mean by maximum? It's a large one. It's more or big. Which one? Exactly, lorry. Clap, children. Super. The next one, find the total number of vehicle which are across on a particular time. So we are going to find total. Easily we have to find total, right? Because already there, look at that number of students column, there is a number 11 plus 7 plus 13 plus 12 plus 4. While we are adding everything, what we will get? Think. Yes, 47. So our answer is 47. Okay, if you have doubt, count all the ones in the question column, you will get 47. So our answer is right. Children, the tally bars and the total must always comes as a equivalent, or else our answer is wrong. So check like this. Okay, what we learned today? Today we learnt about pictograph. Okay, what is a pictograph? Children, say with me, a picture is a representative of data using images. Pictograph means we are drawing using images. What is mean by data collecting information? We are using tally sticks. Pictograph using picture. Data, we are using graphical representation of data, we are using a tally bars.
Children,
Keep that in
today's
your mind.
lesson, I
Okay,
hope you
don't get
understand,
confused.
right? Now this is your classwork time. Take your classwork, page 192, ruled notebook, max. Take your textbook, page 89, and do the exercise 6.2b in your classwork. And then take page number 91 and 92 in your book. Do these two activities in your max 120 homework note. Good, children.
We have worksheet, Kahoot, quizzes and online videos. Don't miss it. Keep watching. Until we will see in the next week. See you. Bye children. Take care.